Hey, it's Raj, and I hope you're all doing well. Today, I just want to talk about meditation, which is my favorite topic. Meditation is a term which can be seen in every places. Like you can see in business places, people used to talk about meditation when they get stressed, workload. We can also see in schools and everywhere meditation is an important thing. So why meditation has become that much? It's an important thing from earlier time also, but nowadays it's been a very huge. People are behind it. Meditation is something that which we give to our mind because we make our mind very calm. We understand that mind is a flow of thoughts, and with meditation we can calm the mind. And with deep knowledge, we may understand our true reality also. So, what is meditation? It's nothing but looking within ourselves, to see ourselves, to quiet the mind and understand who we are. And I have practiced different types of meditation, and still I'm doing. Meditation is a thing which keeps you very energetic. It is a thing like when you do sleep, you get energy for your body, and when you do meditation, you will get energy for your mind. And also that it's like that 8 hours sleep is like a 15 minutes meditation. The same impact you will have on your mind and body. In ancient times, people used to meditate, especially in India. People used to focus on the reality to find the truth. Sages and monks usually they focus on themselves to find the truth, who they are, what are their purpose in this planet, and they came to understand that nothing is more important than your inner self. And actually you will come to know that when you meditate, you will understand that you have the power to choose your life. For example, you have the power to choose to be happy always, all the time, but you think that you are not capable of. Actually, it's a false. As Swami Vivekananda said, it's a very crime to think that we are weak. We are very strong, we are very powerful. As the Rumi quotes that you are not a speck in the universe, the whole universe is in you. Everything is in us. We should understand that deep inside lies the ultimate power, which is the source of everything. Everything is everything. When people they get stressed, they will think about why it is happening to me. Why only me? I am the only person who is suffering a lot. Okay, maybe you're true because you think like that. If you think like that, you will become like that. Your perception is the reality. As I talked earlier also, that perception is reality. The way you think is the reality. See, quantum physics says that there are parallel universes. Different types of universe are there. So we must understand that we must become a magnet, a positive magnet, positive thoughts in our mind. Then we attract the things that are positive. The person who usually complains a lot, why this is happening to me always, I'm very cursed person, you may see that his life is a disaster. On the other hand, the person who is very joy always, who talks about gratitude, thankfulness, always he is very gratitude about his life, the people, what all he has in his current circumstance, what all he has got, he is very happy with that. And that person is always happy and prosperous. He leads a successful life. He attracts all the positive people, and you may notice that his life is a blessed life. And you may think that why his life is so blessed. I think God has blessed him so much that he is a blessed person. No. God is like, I may say that if a rain comes, the rain is falling in every place equally. Some people may take the rainwater like this in your hand like this, and they will drink. They will drink. Some may keep like this, so they can't get the rainwater like that. Some may have the ability to accept the blessing, some may not. So the person who accepts the blessings, who thinks positive thoughts, lead a great life. On the other hand, the person who always complain, have a negative, pessimistic attitude, suffers a lot. God is equal to everyone. God provides all the blessings equally. How we accept, how we think, how we thank God, according to that our life will be. Everything is created by us. We are the creator of our own destiny. Meditation plays an important role to understand ourselves. So the important thing to understand is that you should do meditation. It's not any religious thing. Every religion should do. There is no particular religion should do meditation. Not like that. Meditation is a universal thing. It's nothing but sit quietly, backbone straight, close your eyes, focus on your breath. It's enough. Where you will understand that you're focusing on your breath, because breath is always in the present moment. You may notice that breath is always in the present moment. It is always with you. So when you are in the present moment, you will understand that everything is in the present moment only. There is no past, there is no future. Everything is in the present moment. So we must understand that. We must pay more importance to meditation. You can Google it about meditation, basic meditation practice. I may put a link on my YouTube channel also. You can check that also. The basic of meditation, how to do. And many good courses are there. Isha Foundation is providing. Art of Living is there. Vipassana is there. The great one, the best one which I have done. 10-day course Vipassana. Many things are there. And also when you search in the net, try to watch the video of a person who is well versed in the spiritual field, because some people are like, they will just put the video on meditation without any knowledge. Who is a great master, who is a guided principle, who follows every aspect of meditation, like Sri Ravi Shankar, Eckhart Tolle, like what we say, a lot of things people who do in meditation, like meditation music, they are good. They are all good. But who practice meditation, who leads a life of meditator, you must follow them. And you should understand that with meditation you can create a great life, because with meditation you will be able to control your life. You will be able to control your thoughts. That's a great thing, because when you control your thoughts, you will create your reality. Reality is what we create. Your thoughts become things. Just think of like that. If when a person is building a house, first is created in the mind, a blueprint. Second only it is manifested outside in the physical world. Like that, everything is created in the mind first, then only it is created outside. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Focus on the meditation. Always try to be a person who is passionate about knowing yourself, your inner self. So if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.